So, hello everyone, and welcome to our final session, that is day 15 of Mastering Miscellaneous Insurance. So, today we are bringing everything together by focusing on the most practical part, making a claim and minimizing your losses. We'll walk through the journal steps of filling a claim form across various miscellaneous policies, emphasize why quick action and good records are crucial, and share strategies to reduce your loss immediately after an incident. This will help consolidate all the knowledge you have gained over the past 15 days. So let's start with the absolute golden rule when it comes to an insurance claim, especially for miscellaneous policies. Act immediately, time is critical. So, the moment you discover any loss of the damage that might be covered, you must take immediate steps. Don't wait. Many policies have strict notification deadlines. For instance, you might have only 24 to 72 hours to report a theft, or perhaps 7 days for the property damage. Missing these jeopardize your claim. Delays can easily lead to the loss of the crucial evidence, making it much harder to prove what happened and how much you lost. Early action is not just about reporting, it's also about preventing further damage or reducing the severity of the loss. So, this is your duty and it can significantly impact your claim payout. So, let's walk through the general claim process steps that are applicable to most miscellaneous insurance policies. First is immediate reporting. First, report to the authorities if applicable. This means calling the police for theft or the burglary, the fire department for the fire, or getting a property irregularity report from the airline for the lost damage. Immediately after or simultaneously inform your insurer or the broker as soon as possible. Second, loss minimization duty of insured. This is your responsibility. You must take all responsible steps to prevent any further damage. For example, if a window is broken, cover it. If a machine is parking, unplug it. Third, documentation and evidence gathering. This is crucial. Take photos and videos of the damage or loss. Gather original purchase invoices or any proof of ownership and value. Collect police reports, any surveyor reports, or maintenance logs if relevant, and of course, fill out your claim forms completely. Fourth, surveyor or the assessor's appointment. For more complex or high value claims, your insurer might appoint an independent expert, a surveyor or assessor, to investigate and quantify the loss. And fifth, submission and the follow-ups. Once you have everything, submit all your documents to the insurer and cooperate fully with their investigations. Respond promptly to any request for your information. So let's emphasize the importance of the documentation. Think of it as your proof. It's key to getting your payout. Good documentation provides concrete evidence of your loss, its financial value, the exact circumstances under which it happened. When you provide complete and accurate documentation right from the start, it allows the insurer to assess your claim faster, leading to quick processing on the payouts. Clear records reduce any ambiguity or potential disagreements you might have the insurer about the details of your claim. Make sure you maintain records of your valuable items before a loss even occurs. This means keeping photos, appraisals for high value items like jewelry, and recording serial numbers of the electronics. This makes providing ownership and value much easier if something happens. Beyond just reporting, actively engaging in loss minimization strategies is crucial. So this is about limiting the damage from protecting your claim. You should always act as if you are uninsured. This means taking immediate responsible steps to prevent further damage. For example, if there is a burglary, secure your premises. If electronics are damaged by a power surge, unplug them. Separate any damaged items from the undamaged ones. This prevents further contaminations, rust, or other issues for spreading. For complex damages like the machinery or the sophisticated electronics, engage qualified technicians for immediate assessments or temporary repairs. Always try to get your insurer's consent first if possible. Keep a detailed log of all the actions you take to minimize the loss, including any cost you incur. This shows you are being responsible. Do not dispose of the repair without consent. This is incredibly important. Never dispose of your damaged property or carry out major repairs without your insurer's prior approval or without ensuring a surveyor has inspected the damage. The damaged property is crucial evidence for your claim. We have reached the end of our 15 days course, so let's do a quick consolidation and final thoughts on your miscellaneous insurance journey. Remember that miscellaneous insurance offers broad coverage. It fills critical gaps for a diverse range of the risks that are not covered by your standard policies. Always read your policies. Every miscellaneous policy is specific. You must understand that exact perils it covers, its exclusions, and any conditions you need to meet. Prevention is a key. Proactive risk management and loss prevention strategies will always save you money and headaches in the long run, minimizing the need for the claims. Cooperation is vital. If you do have a claim, work closely and transparently with your insurer or the broker. This speeds up the process. And finally, consult the expert. Never hesitate to seek advice from your insurance professionals. They are there to guide you through complexities. So, thank you for being the part of this journey to a master miscellaneous insurance. So that concludes our 15-day course on mastering miscellaneous insurance. It's been a comprehensive journey, and I truly hope that you have gained a valuable knowledge to protect your assets and operations. As a final thought, I would love to hear from each of you that reflecting on the entire 15-day course. What's the single most valuable piece of advice or insight you have gained about managing any type of a miscellaneous insurance claim? What's the one thing you will always remember? Please share your thoughts in the comments below, and thank you all for your engagement and participation. I wish all of you a safe operations and peace of mind through effective insurance management. Thank you so much.